Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max has released in September 2022 with 6.7 inches LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with promotion. Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max 5G super fast downloads, high-quality streaming, cinematic mode in 4K at 24/25/30/60 fps, 1080p at 25/30/60/120/240 fps, 10-bit HDR, Dolby Vision HDR, up to 60 frames per second, ProRes, cinematic mode, 4K at 30 fps, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max stereo sound rec zoom range, new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores. New 5-core GPU. Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max Apple A16 Bionic, 4 nanometers, up to 28 hours video playback. Face ID Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max Ceramic Shield Front. Surgical-grade stainless steel, water-resistant to a depth hexacore CPU, non-removable Li-ion 4323 mAh battery, with 4G, 5G networks, 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM/256GB ROM/512GB ROM/1TB ROM. Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max.